How to remote play on Steam. Let's get started. Launch your Steam app. To remote play on Steam is a great way to enjoy your favorite games even you are away from your main gaming setup. At the top left corner, you'll find the option of Steam. Click on it. Now head towards the option of Settings. Now in this page, you will be able to find different options. Head towards the option of Remote Play. Click on it. At the very top, you'll find the option of Enable Remote Play. Toggle on for it. By enabling this, now you are able to stream gameplay between this PC and other devices. Now let's optimize the experience with some advanced settings. Toggle on for this option, Enable Advanced Host Options. You can choose whether to play audio on the host, and depending on your PC specs, you might want to enable or disable hardware encoding for the better performance. Also, matching the desktop resolution to the streaming clients can further enhance the experience. So go ahead and customize these settings. Now if you want to remote play on another PC, just log in with the same Steam account and you are good to go. It's that simple. If you prefer gaming on your mobile device, you can also do that. Just download the Steam Link app and follow the instructions to pair it with your PC. Once paired, you can easily enjoy remote play on your mobile device. You just have to type in the code. Once you fulfill this process, you will be good to go. So this is how you can remote play on Steam. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.